Question 4 from EOC Biology 2021 test. Farmers spray pesticides on their plants to protect the plants from being eaten by insects. Some individual insects have a genetic mutation that makes them resistant to the toxins in the pesticide. Which statement best describes how only a few resistant individuals resulted in the pesticide becoming ineffective? So there are some words that we need to know what they mean. Pesticides, those are the chemicals. They kill bugs or insects. Insects means like bugs. And then farmers spray those chemicals on their plants. So those pesticides kill the insects or bugs, and then plants can survive. But some individual bugs or insects, they have a genetic mutation. Remember, mutation is a change on the genetic material, like on their DNA, and that makes them resistant to the toxins. It means they become powerful against the toxins, like pesticides, in the pesticides, so they can survive and they can continue damaging the plants, right? Hurting the plants. And which statement best describes, again, we're looking for the best answer choice. Some of them or more than one can be correct, but we're looking for the best option. How only a few resistant individuals resulted in the pesticide becoming ineffective. Ineffective means it's not working anymore. It's not doing its job. So basically, we have, let's say we have lots of bugs or insects, okay? And then, let's say this is our plants. All right, on the ground. And then let's say those are, sorry about my bad drawing. Let's say those insects are eating our plants. Basically, they're not good for the farmers. They're not good for the plants. They actually, damaging the plants. And then the farmers, let's say we have a farmer here. Let's say we have a farmer here. All right, this is our farmer, and then he has pesticides, okay? Pesticides. And he sprays those pesticides, let's say, to the bugs. And let's say some of them get killed. All right? But some of them have some genetic mutation and they survive. Let's say those get to survive and the rest of them are killed by the pesticide. But what will happen? Those two bugs, they will continue, their life. They're going to reproduce. They're going to have more bugs. Okay, so they're going to have offsprings. They're going to continue living, right? They're going to make big families with more bugs, like insects. Now, since these parents have a DNA that's resistant to the pesticides, certain pesticides, they will inherit their genes to their like baby bugs, their offsprings, and they will all become, or some of them, they will become resistant, like powerful against the pesticides. And even this farmer is going to apply the same pesticides to those bugs. It's not going to work because they have the genetic information or DNA that's resistant to the toxins. So let's look at the question and then look at the answer choices again. So which statement best describes how only a few resistant individuals resulted in the pesticides becoming ineffective? It's not working anymore. It's not going to kill the bugs. The resistant insects change the toxin on the plants, making it safe for others. It's not the correct answer. The resistant insects grow larger and eat less of the plants. Again, it's not about becoming, it's not about the pesticide becoming ineffective. The resistant insects eat the contaminated surface and they leave the rest for the others. Again, it's not about the pesticide becoming ineffective. The resistant insects, like those last two, are able to survive, right? They are able to survive to reproduce and create a population that is also resistant. That's why the toxins or the pesticides, they're not effective anymore, because those surviving parents, they have the gene that resistant to toxins, so that's why they're survived, and then they can pass these genes along to their offsprings, and their offsprings can also be powerful against those toxins, and then they can survive, and then pesticides become ineffective. And our answer is J in this case.